Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this really quick and easy crochet star bag. So we are always going to be working with 2 pieces of yarn. So we are going to make our slip knot. And then we are going to chain 30. Once you have your 30 chains, we are going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then we are going to start doing a Trinity stitch. So we are going to insert our hook back into the same stitch that we just did a single crochet in and pull up a loop. So we've got 2 loops on the hook. We are then going to insert our hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. So we have 3 loops, and then we are going to insert our hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, and now we have 4 loops on the hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, chain 1, and that is our first Trinity stitch. We are going to go back into the same stitch that we just went into and repeat the exact same thing. So we're going to keep pulling up a loop until we have 4 loops on our hook. So in the next 3 stitches, you pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3, chain 1, and again, repeat the exact same thing. Always go back into the stitch that we just worked into. So insert our hook, pull up a loop, into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and into the 3rd stitch, pull up a loop, until you have 4, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. And you're going to repeat that all the way to the end. Remember to keep going into that stitch that we have just worked into. And then when you get to the last 3 stitches, we are going to do a Trinity stitch again, as normal. And then pull through all 4 loops. We're not going to chain in the last one, we're just going to do a single crochet back into that stitch. So it should look something like this. So on the last stitch of every round, you're not chaining, you're just single crocheting. And then we are going to chain 1, turn our work, and do a Trinity stitch again, the exact same as we just did for the last round. And you want to repeat that until you have 22 rows. After you've got 22 rows, it should look something like this, and it should be pretty much a perfect square. You want to make another 2 of these so that you have 3 squares in total, and now you should have 3 squares. What we are going to do now is fold each square in half so that you have a triangle. And then this will create the shape of the bag. And what we need to do now is just sew each square together. To make it easier when you're sewing them together, you can just get a stitch marker and clip them together. And then it makes it easier, so now we can see that we just need to sew along here. And then once you've sewn all of that together, we can stitch mark on the other side and then sew this side together. Once you have finished sewing these together, it will look something like this. And I'm just going to weave in all my ends now, just because it's looking a bit messy and it will be easier when we make the handle. So I've weaved in all my ends. We are now going to turn our bag inside out so that we can hide all of our seams. I'm going to attach my yarn into the center. So we are going to make one chain, and then we are going to single crochet around the whole thing. So it should look something like this, and we're going to repeat that all around. So we're going to go up, down on the back, go up, and then get back to here. After you've single crocheted around once, we are going to slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. And then chain one and single crochet around again. Once you have single crocheted around again, we are going to slip stitch into the first stitch and fasten off. Now we are going to do a chain of 45, but you want to leave the tail end long because we can use this to sew the handle to the bag once we have finished. So we are going to chain 45. In the second chain from the hook, we are going to do a single crochet, and we are going to single crochet in each stitch all the way down. After you have finished single crocheting in each stitch, we are going to chain one, turn our work, and we are going to do a single crochet all the way down again, and we're going to repeat that until we have 4 rows of single crochet. Once you have done your 4 rows of single crochet, we are going to fasten off and make sure to leave a long tail so we can sew the handle. Now we are going to fold the handle over, and we are going to sew the handle so that it looks like this. To make it easier, I am going to use my stitch markers and clip them together. So I'll do one on each end, one in the middle. So all we're going to do is sew these sides together, but you want to leave about an inch free. So we're going to start an inch in, sew along until this side, leaving like another inch. About 5 stitches we're leaving on each side. Once you have sewn the middle, it should look something like this. So you have the middle section and then the 2 ends are still open. We are now going to sew this to the bag. So we are going to get our bag, fold the side flat, so this is what it looks like face on. You want to turn it over so we have the side, and then we're going to sew this part of the handle to the top corner of the bag. once you've attached this side, it will look something like this, and then the inside is like that. We want to repeat the exact same thing on this side. And then weave in all the ends, and then you are finished.